How to fix download Black Hawk Down expansion pack. So let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on a device, then in the search address bar, search for the store Steam. Now, once you search for it, log into your account and make sure to check the Steam server status. Sometimes Steam servers may be down for maintenance, which can affect the downloads. Now, after a stable internet connection check, simply go for the search address bar, or you can scroll down and there you will get to see search queries option available, and simply tap on it. And once you tap on the search queries, all you have to do is type down the name of the game you are searching for. So since we are searching for Black Hawk Down expansion, search for it and make sure to not to do any spelling errors. Now tap on the first option available there, and there you will get to see download or add to carts option available if you are using the better version of the Steam. I'm just using the free version, so I don't have any payment associated with my Steam account, so I cannot download or add this game to the cart. But if you have it, then you will get to see download or add to cart option available there, and you can easily download it using the amount of money you have on your card. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.